Hi folks, I've just done this one for my patrons, my little band of patrons. Can't neglect them. And it's just a typical view of marsh grass, meadow grass, foreground, trees, a lot of nice bits of red in, 4 colours, five colours, so I added burnt sienna. And this frame's doing very well. I keep using it for the pieces I've done, but I have done quite a few watercolours and oils of late, so I went back to acrylics today, and I enjoy. You could hardly tell the difference between this and an oil painting now, other than the fact that it's dry. It dried just in minutes, with the air being as dry as it is at the moment. So I love it. I absolutely love doing this sort of stuff. So I hope you like this one. I'm not going to put anything as naff as branches and twigs and stuff. That speaks for itself. Your eyes and your brain will connect the dots. A lot of colour in here, but made just mainly with red, blue and yellow mixed together. All this is the same, blue, just mixing 3 primaries. And see what you come up with. Anyway, I hope you like it. I'll let you look at it for a few seconds. I'll pin that into the frame. Could have done a bit more finish there, but anyway, I quite like that one. Hope you do too. A very simple study. Sky study, tree study and foreground study. How to paint a quick foreground really. See you soon. Bye bye.